Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Pro. Today, talking about storing permanent botanicals. They're so popular now, it can be such a headache. 3 ways that we've found that work fabulous. Tubs, plastic, I like the clear ones, and then group all the foliage, all yellow blooms, and then always have an extra that you can fill with just your bits, the leftover odds and ends that you have, grouped by color. So this is my white bit box. Also, just boxes. You can put them in, group by variety, or by color, and then stack, or tubes, and then just slide down in, and they come in different sizes, so you can adjust if you need larger or smaller, but keeping it all organized so you can easily find it and design.